I haven't eaten in days, the cold is biting.
You look like you could use a warm meal. Take this. It's on the house. And this too for your journey.
Thank you. I will never forget this, I promise. One act of kindness changed everything. Wow, I worked harder than ever. One act of kindness changed everything. Wow, I worked harder than ever. Move this junk out of here! Please stop! Is there a problem here? Leave her alone. Congratulations, Mr. Leo. The project is yours. Thank you. I'm looking forward to it. Excellent. We'll be in touch. You gave me a sandwich when I had nothing. Now, I give you your own restaurant. Welcome home.
Can't believe